The Ingenuity My Bath Seat for Sit gives babies who can already sit up a steady place in the full-size tub, so parents are not juggling a slippery little body and soap at the same time. 3 wraparound arms create nearly complete support around the baby, which helps limit tipping and sliding while still leaving room to wash and play. Large suction cups on each arm anchor firmly to smooth tub surfaces, and when attached correctly, the seat feels reassuringly solid instead of wobbly. The tall backrest and roomy molded seat keep the baby sitting upright and comfortable, which is especially helpful for little ones who are not quite stable on their own yet. Setup and removal are straightforward, with a simple extend and lock mechanism that makes it easy to move the seat in and out of the tub or store it between baths. Because it is designed for standard rectangular bathtubs and has been tested to meet widely recognized safety standards, it suits most households looking for extra support during the short sit-up bathing stage.